What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And the video you're about to see, I was recorded later on in the day. I needed to make an intro, feel me? And I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Like, I know lately in my videos I've been feeling like a little, yeah, you know what's up, guys, whatever. I don't know, guys. It's just still a little new to me. It's still a little weird that I'm actually, recording and stuff. Is like, I don't know where to look, what to talk to sometimes. So it's like, I'm trying my best, and I'm only gonna get better at it, through practice. So if you really want to help me out, guys, before anything, smash that like button. I'm gonna give you a second. Think about it. Nah, don't even think about it. Just smash that like button. And don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe before anything. And turn on that post notification so you can see every single time I post. But let's get to it, guys. So basically, this is how simple it is. You got a flat head, right in there, and it comes right off the ball joint. Basically, there's air in there. Just do it both sides. All you need is a flat head, and then throw the old ones out. Let's try to put the new ones in. Let's try to prop you guys up right here. See a little bit or something, you feel me? Wow. Let's see how that works. Here, taking off the wraps and stuff. Damn, yo, whoever taped this up pretty good. There we go. Just pull the clip off. So basically, you pull the clip, inserts, then have to prop the hood up a little bit more. Oh man, the phone fell, guys. Give me a second. Ow. Stab my freaking finger. And just like that, phone is put in. Guys, don't litter. Just up. Then I'm gonna show you how easy it is on this side. It's kind of hard when you're doing it all by yourself. See? This falls off. Then you grab it down here. Right off, just like that. And look, the hood is staying up by itself. We're not needed no more. I wish I had somebody to help me, but that's all right. Boom. Well, to be honest, put it back on. You don't really need it. Just push it on. And there you go. We did it. So I'm gonna do 2 separate videos because this video's long enough to do it. New intake. I'm gonna see if I order that soon. So you guys, got my hands a little dirty. Sorry if the video was whack. I recorded it myself. Basically me alone. Nobody to help me. But guys, if you do like this video, like I always say, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. And please, guys, tell a friend. Show some love and support. And more videos like this is going to be coming. And yes, I know it's missing. That's because my vacuum pin is bad. So I have to replace that because it keeps on pushing the pressure back up. And I keep on losing them. I've already been through 3 of them. I do have another one at home, so don't worry about that, guys. So yeah, guys, you seen that I cleaned the door or whatever over there, but I'm gonna try to replace these because I have new ones right here, because my old struts on this car don't work. So I got this little piece of plywood. I'll throw that out too. So let me see what I have to do. I'll get back to you in a second.